Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I actually need your help. So I was on the computer last night trying to figure out what emblem I want to go with. So right now what I need you guys to do is to tell me which one you like better. I have two different emblems that I am going to show you, and right now I'm going to show you one right now. Okay, that was one. So now I have this other one which I also like too. So, and I'm going to show that one right now. So what I need you to do is to tell me which one I should go with. I'm also thinking about in the future, if I ever get the to high enough to, sell things, like merchandise, I want to be able to put that emblem on there. Now this is going to go all the way up until it's March now, so I'm going to make it April 13th. So you have until now, until April 13th, to down below to write which one that you like. The one with the recycling emblem or the one without. So let's see how this goes and see which one you guys pick. So as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace, YouTube folk. Later, Gators.